Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Hi everybody, day 24. We are really moving through May, sadly, because I love spring and I love April and May. They're just my favorite months. So anyway, moving on. If you're like me, you love anything that Mikey from the Crochet Crowd comes up with, and this is no different. This is a real crowd pleaser as far as I'm concerned. This is the Crochet Flower Power Afghan pattern and tutorial. And Mikey is an excellent teacher. So if you haven't ever checked out Mikey from the Crochet Crowd, check him out on YouTube and also on Instagram. He's really, really funny. But this is the Crochet Flower Power Afghan in tutorial, and it is absolutely beautiful, I think. I'm going to see if I can make this look a little bit bigger. There we go. To me, this almost looks like stained glass. It's just so beautiful. I love this particular square. I love these colors, how they all work in together. So I'm not sure what yarn he used. Maybe he will let us know. It says this Afghan appears to be like a light bright back from the 70s, and it's visually amazing. Super, super beautiful. I'm just going to scroll through and see if I can find out more for you. Sheila Wilson did up an Afghan using just these squares. Wow, that's beautiful too. So pretty. Okay, so here is the tutorial of how to make this square. So it's interesting how different it looks, right? From one color way to another. So this one's got the gray and the dark teal and the white, and it just looks so different from the one that we saw earlier up at the top. And here, of course, she used all pastels with this bright gold as well. So the colors just make it so different. Like one looks so different from another. But of course, this is my favorite one. So the Crochet Flower Power Afghan. I'm just going to click on that. And look at that. A free pattern. Look at that. There's the whole thing. Isn't that awesome? Don't you just love Mikey? He gives us free patterns. I love it. And yeah, here's what you need as far as colors to make this particular Afghan. So it looks like he used all red heart, of course, red heart super value stripes, and then the different colors, and then black. So yeah, let me know if you would like to make this. I know I think it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Okay, everybody. Until tomorrow's fabulous idea, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you're enjoying this series. Until tomorrow, have a great day.